Murdoch, Illinois. An 8-car freight train carrying highly flammable liquids and gas has derailed and caught fire, posing a huge danger for local residents. With no water available to extinguish the blaze, police order an evacuation within a 4-mile radius of the derailment. Fearing the worst, residents quickly flee. However, a news crew stays behind to document the threatening blaze. Then it comes. 7 seconds later, the powerful shockwave shakes the camera. The immense heat generated from the blast is felt more than a mile away. The monstrous explosion shows a twisted 6-ton propane-filled rail car fly an unbelievable 3,640 feet across a field. That's more than half a mile. As night falls, the unstable fire has yet to subside. Now the flames surround a rail car filled with isobutane. And then 50,000 gallons of fuel creates a fireball so intense that it turns darkness into a blinding white light. 48 hours later, the fire has burnt out. All that remains are scorched crops, twisted metal, and melted train cars. A half a mile away, the wreckage from the flying propane rail car sits in a field. An investigation reveals that old and damaged railroad ties caused the derailment. Not one injury came about when this freight train derailed and led to the 2 most powerful explosions Murdoch, Illinois has ever experienced.